How to collaborate with other TikTok creators. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, open the video of the creator you want to collaborate with. Click on the arrow in their video on the right side. After you click on the arrow, you'll find all these options pop up. Simply click on Duet at the bottom. After you click on Duet, it will lead you to this page. In here, simply take video as you want and collaborate with them. After you've done recording your video, press on next and you will be able to post. This is how to collaborate with TikTok creators. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.